TJ Monteverde.
I feel so overwhelmed because I didn't know.
I didn't know he was a Monteverde.
Monteverde pala siya, tapos galit na galit pa talaga si ate. Ha?
Okay, Ate Casey, sabi mo kanina na dito daw yung energy. Diba? Dito sa side na to. Diba?
Grabe sila, di ba? Wala pong nangyayari.
Napaka-bongga talaga ng energy dito. But of course, Casey, alam mo na every time I watch you and TJ, grabe parang nakakakilig talaga. So, gusto mo malaman, ano ba yung mga behind the scenes moments ninyo? Sino ba yung mas clingy sa inyo?
Siya.
Parang nung simula, kasi first boyfriend ko si TJ.
Sana
So mas
all.
clingy ako sa kanya kasi parang di ba first time mo magka-boyfriend, gusto mo magkasama kayo palagi, gano'n. Tapos nung mag-asawa na kami, aminado naman siya, mas clingy na siya ngayon. So, parang siya? Ay! Ate!
Sana all, diba? Of course, Casey, would you say, kasi marami kasi nagsasabi na when you get married, mas madali talaga. Would you agree with that?
Mas madali ba? I think wala naman sigurong pumapasok sa marriage thinking that getting into a marriage is making the relationship easier. But I think when you decide to be married to your like when I decided to be married to TJ, I knew that it was gonna be an even tougher journey. But I'm so sure na si TJ yung tipo ng tao na gusto kong makasama ang lahat ng paghihirap sa buhay. Na siya yung tao na gusto kong makasama sa lahat ng paghihirap at saya sa buhay.
Oh, diba? I love it. Kailan mo nalaman, Casey, na siya na yung the one mo? Ano yung point na yun? Ano yung story nun?
May time na I wasn't even proud of myself. May time na sabi ko sa kanya, maghiwalay na lang tayo kasi kung hindi ko kayang mahalin ang sarili ko, mas lalong hindi kita kayang mahalin the way you deserve. Pero sabi ni TJ sa akin, kung hindi mo ako kayang mahalin at hindi mo kayang magmahal ngayon, ako na lang muna ang magmamahal para sa ating dalawa.
Sana all.
Ayoko na mag
So, that's when I knew na, okay, legit.
He's a legit Monteverde.
Legit si Monteverde, let's go!
Let's go, Monteverde for life, diba? Pero,
Literal yung Monteverde
diba?
for life. Let's go.
Monteverde for life. Pero Casey, alam ko naman na yung love story ninyo, very colorful yung love story ninyo. And a lot of people are inspired by your love story. Grabe yung impact ninyo sa mga teasers and betweens. So syempre, what is your message to all of those who are in love right now? Or yung mga naghahanap ng love?
I think you just focus all, kung single po kayo ngayon, just focus all that love na gusto niyo nang ilabas sa mundo. Focus it on yourself. Learn to love yourself first. Kasi hindi mo ma-expect ang tamang pagmamahal mula sa ibang tao kung ikaw mismo hindi mo kayang mahalin ang sarili mo. So, mahalin niyo muna yung sarili niyo, and then when love thinks that you are ready, then love is gonna come when it's time for it to come.
I love it, guys. Na-inspire na rin ako. But of course, okay, Casey, ito, kagaya ng sinabi ko, very colorful yung love story ninyo. So, of course, we need to know, Dunkin' event to,
Yes.
if your love story were a donut flavor, ano ang flavor and why?
Si TJ, favorite kasi ng TJ yung Choco Waffle. So I think yun siguro. Kasi siya ang paborito kong pipiliin at tutuloy.
Yeah!
Ay, sorry! Meron pala tayong kiss cam dito.
Kiss, 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 kiss.
Grabe! Thank you so much, Casey, for joining us.
Kiss, 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 kiss.
Ayaw na. Pero feel ko, mamaya meron lang tayo makikitang kiss. Oh, diba? And speaking of kiss, thank you so much, Casey, for joining us for our quick Chica session. And we'll see you again later on. Thank you, Casey. What's your